Hey, what's up guys? So today I've got OnePlus Pad Go 2 and I'll be unboxing this tablet. To be honest, it has some great specifications at a fantastic price point. So I pre-ordered it on OnePlus Canada website, and with that I got 40% discount on this Pad Go 2 Folio case, and I got the Pad Go 2 Stylo as a freebie gift with the pre-order. So I'll be unboxing everything in this video. So let's get started. I've already taken off the plastic covering that it came wrapped in, so it's ready to be unboxed. So let's do that. Right, not the smoothest unboxing experience. All right, so here it is, the 12.1-inch display, 2.8K resolution on this, and 900 nits peak brightness. So I'm just going to slide out from here. There you go, that's the tablet. This is the shadow black color. The camera is right here and the finish is really smooth. So that's the tablet. Let's see what else we have in the box. So this is paperwork, and something I love about OnePlus, we still get our charging bricks. So this is a 45-watt super woke charger. So we have that, and then we have this cable which is USB-A to USB-C. So here we have the OnePlus Go 2 Folio case. So let's unbox it and take a look at this case. All right, so that's the case, and let's take this out. So that is the case, and you can put your OnePlus Pad Go 2 in here and just it wraps around, and there is a magnet. And now finally unbox this OnePlus Pad Go 2 Stylo. There it is. That's the Stylus, and it comes with this USB-C port. So that's how you can charge it. Now it also has this button that you can use to connect to the tablet, and it also comes with this spare nib for the pen. So if you wear this one out, you have an extra one right there. Alright guys, so it's all set up and ready to go. This is the default look of the tablet when you set it up for the first time. Now there are a couple of things that I've noticed straight away after unboxing this tablet. One is that it is really heavy. So this is 597 grams, and you cannot use it single-handed for extended period of time because you'll just get tired after some time. So it is really heavy. And the second thing that I've noticed in the limited time that I have just used this tablet is that the animations and app switching and the whole software experience is very smooth. Now I'm comparing it to Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, which I reviewed earlier this year. That is also a budget option but is priced higher than this tablet, and it is not a great experience with software on that tablet. It is always lagging and always stuttering. I have not seen that on this tablet. But anyways, let's put it in its folio case and connect it to the Stylo. So there you go, it goes right in there, and the Stylo goes right there. And now you have everything secured with this Stylo case. Pretty cool. Now one more thing that I've noticed here is that if you remove this magnet latch and put it here and then roll this cover back and turn it into a stand like this, the magnet will then connect to the tablet again like this. So there is this, so the magnet works across the case and attaches to the back of the tablet. And now you have this really robust stand for the tablet. So that's pretty good and well thought out if they intended to actually do that. Now the moment you'll turn on this Stylo, you will see it appear on the tablet, and then you can just tap on connect and it will connect with the tablet, and then you can simply go through the features. But that's about it from this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.